Emily.
And I'm Morgan.
And together we have a property investment company, so we have several rental properties, and this one on Holtby Street is one of them. We owned this one a few years ago and a tenant recently moved out, so we needed to refurbish the project, and that's when we spoke with Iqbal and Andy Walker Management Company.
So we undertook a full refurbishment, so everything has changed. So we have a new kitchen, a new bathroom, full skim and replastering in places as well, and then new carpets, new boiler, everything really. So we've done the whole project through Andy Walker.
So we spoke with a few builders, and we were actually abroad at the time, so my brother came and met with a few for us, and then we spoke to them on the phone, and both my brother and myself just got the best kind of feel from Andy Walker, especially from Iqbal. We then had a FaceTime and he was really thorough, great communication, so we went with him and we were really glad that we did.
We found it very good. So, as Emily mentioned, we were abroad for the majority, if not all, of the project. So we were kept in touch with the progress very often. So we'd get pictures and videos. Something that was really helpful for us, not being around, was actually being able to see things so clearly and to be able to speak to the team at any time. So we found the management really good.
Yeah, the communication's been great. They've always been on hand to help with any questions we had, and when we came and viewed the property, they were always on hand to come over, any help with anything, so it's been really good. I think they did it even better than the timeline that we asked for. There was such a quick turnaround. They had several guys on site at any point, working long days, and they did got all the work done really quickly, so we're really happy with that.
Yeah, definitely over-delivered on the timeline. It was ready a couple of weeks before we were expecting it to, so that was really good for us because while it's been empty, we've been covering the mortgage, so for us, the time for the project was really important.
Really satisfied. Obviously with it being a rental property, buy-to-let, we had kind of a specific quality level that we were looking for. The team delivered on that spot on, they worked quickly, and any extra snagging bits they came and fixed straight away for us.
Yes, I would definitely recommend Andy Walker Construction Company. We've been very happy with the quality of the work, the communication and the pricing. You know, everything is being something that we'd recommend, so we're very happy.
Definitely, we've been so happy with the way that the team have worked. There's quite a few guys that we've met that have all been lovely, really helpful. We've had such good communication, the quality's been just what we were looking for, and the speed of their work has been so great. We couldn't have asked for more really. So we've had such a great experience working with Andy Walker Construction Company. We hope we get to work with them again, hopefully on another rental property of ours, and we wish them all the best for the future.